Cepacol Extra Strength Sore Throat and Cough Lozenges, powerful symptom relief, quiet cough, oral pain reliever, mixed berry flavor, 16 lozenges. Product details. Cepacol Extra Strength Sore Throat Lozenges are an oral relief medicine for your sore throat and cough symptoms. Each lozenge helps quiet your cough and relieve your sore throat, mouth pain and canker sores. Cepacol is #1 Pharmacist Recommended brand for cough lozenges. This product contains 16 lozenges in a mixed berry flavor. It can be used by adults and children 6 years of age and over. Symptoms alleviated. Cepacol Extra Strength helps quiet your cough and relieve your sore throat, mouth pain and canker sores. Active ingredients: Benzocaine to help relieve your oral pain, Dextromethorphan to control your cough X000B_ use as directed. Do not exceed recommended dosage. Keep out of reach of children. 2020 Pharmacy Times Survey. Cough lozenges. Extra Strength Relief. Cepacol Extra Strength helps quiet your cough and relieve your sore throat, mouth pain and canker sores. #1 Pharmacist Recommended. Cepacol is #1 Pharmacist Recommended brand for cough lozenges. Oral pain relief contains benzocaine that helps relieve your oral pain. Quiet cough contains dextromethorphan to control your cough. Flavor available in mixed berry flavor. Dosing: take 2 lozenges, one immediately after the other every 4 hours. Usage: use as directed, for ages 6+ years. Indications. Stop use. Indications: stop use and ask a doctor or dentist if sore mouth symptoms do not improve in 7 days. Irritation, pain, or redness persists or worsens. Swelling develops. Cough lasts more than 7 days, comes back, or occurs with fever, rash, or persistent headache. These could be signs of a serious illness.